So, hey everyone, this is a video about how to make dumplings, something very simple, just in case kids or people who don't know about it are watching, because they aren't everywhere in all countries. And so we bring the water to a boil for our dumplings. And if it's a kilogram, then there should be enough water, like with pasta, so they don't stick together. And not too much, just enough, The price, in this case, I'm going to use not a full pack, just eyeballing it for dinner. Here, we see. I just dropped them in. It's not there, and that's it. The water stopped boiling right away because they were cold. I'll also mention that you don't need to thaw the dumplings. You don't need to thaw them. So we don't defrost them, that is, we took them out. We throw the ice cream cold from the freezer into boiling water. They don't work at all if you made them yourself, or they store-bought. They are already peppered and salted inside, the mince is already there, and the dough, that is, as it should be, already as it should be according to taste. But just in case, you really don't need to salt them, just boil them, and that's it. It's better that way. Then on top, when we've already cooked them, when they've boiled a bit, pepper them with ground pepper or add some salt. If you think they're too bland, well, that's it. We'll just cook them and before cooking. So we've tried the dough and it's already good. The fork and knife go through it easily since it's already cooked. And we just either take them out or drain them, or we can keep them in the water like this. Soup. Well, I prefer them in a drier form when we put them in every 30 seconds or so, every minute. Just stir them so they don't stick together and don't stick to the bottom. Well, that seems to be it.